The Alpha GX Wave versus the TOTO C100 Washlet Bidet Toilet Seat Comparison. The Alpha GX Wave and TOTO C100 Washlet are two of the best performing entry-level bidet seats with side panel controls. The GX Wave produces strong performance in a slim, low-profile design, while the C100 is a pillar in the value bidet seat market made by industry powerhouse TOTO. So how do these high-quality entry-level seats match up against each other? Let's compare the Alpha GX Wave and TOTO C100 head-to-head so you can find out which one is the best for you. Differences in design. The GX Wave has a very low-profile design, sturdy lid, and an LED nightlight. At just 5.4 inches tall in the rear with a modern unibody lid, the Alpha GX Wave is easily the slimmest and most low-profile model in this entry-level category. Its lid, when closed, is sittable up to 200 pounds. The TOTO C100 is bulkier by comparison due to its larger internal water reservoir. It's about 7.5 inches tall in the rear, a full 2 inches higher than the GX. The C100 lid slopes down from the rear and unfortunately is not sittable. The seating area for both the GX Wave and C100 are pretty similar, and both models are available in round and elongated sizes. Spray pressure. The Alpha GX Wave and TOTO C100 both offer above-average spray pressure when set to max. The GX Wave has 3 wash modes: rear, rear plus, and front. The rear spray is a nicely aerated, comfortable spray. The rear plus mode is a highlight and is capable of spraying just over 1 liter per minute. The spray is strong, and the generous water volume provides one of the most effective cleansing sprays on the market, regardless of price tag. The TOTO C100 also has 3 wash modes: soft rear, hard rear, and front. The soft rear wash is a gentle spray with little aeration. The hard rear wash adds air power that results in a narrower but firmer spray for users that prefer more power. Compared with the GX Wave's Rear Plus wash, the C100's hard spray is narrower with less volume, but still very strong and very effective for cleansing. The feminine spray on both models offers a gentler spray with a wider spray pattern. Water heating. The TOTO C100 utilizes a traditional tank-type water heating system that holds about 40 seconds of preheated warm water for the wash before it starts turning cooler. The water remains a cooler temperature for the duration of the wash, but never really turns completely cold either. The Alpha GX Wave, on the other hand, uses a hybrid water heating system. This means that there's a smaller internal reservoir with preheated water, but also continuous heating. This smaller reservoir allows the seat to be much sleeker in design. The end result is warm water that lasts about 40 seconds before turning cooler. Again, the spray never really turns cold either. Unique features. Both the Alpha GX Wave and TOTO C100 come pretty much fully loaded with all the typical bidet seat features, including front and rear warm water wash, heated seat, warm air dryer, and adjustable settings. The warm air dryer on both of these models are above average, but the TOTO C100 holds a slight edge. Let's cover some other unique features that set them apart. Sittable lid. The Alpha GX Wave is one of the rare bidet seats on the market where the lid is designed to be sittable when closed. It supports up to 200 pounds. The TOTO C100's lid cannot be sat on. Deodorizer. The TOTO C100 features an automatic deodorizer that helps eliminate odors in the bathroom. The GX does not have this feature. LED nightlight. The Alpha GX has a soft white LED nightlight that illuminates the toilet bowl for nighttime bathroom trips. The C100 does not. Pre-mist. The C100 has TOTO's unique pre-mist feature that dampens the toilet bowl as you sit down. It's meant to keep foreign material from sticking to the bowl. Other brands like Alpha Bidet do not have this feature. Side control panel. Both the GX Wave and C100 feature attached side control panels to operate their functions. The button layouts and white background design for both are fairly similar and relatively standard for the industry. It will come down to personal preferences to decide which one is better suited for your tastes. Nozzle construction. The TOTO C100 uses a single antimicrobial plastic nozzle for its various wash functions. The Alpha GX uses a single antimicrobial stainless steel nozzle for its wash functions. Both are self-cleaning and offer enough reach and adjustability for most users. Warranty: the GX Wave and TOTO C100 are both covered by 1-year manufacturer's warranties. Conclusion: overall, both the TOTO C100 as well as the Alpha GX Wave are fantastic choices with great quality for their price. The question of which is better comes down to what you value most in a bidet seat. If you prefer a sleeker, low-profile design, sittable lid, and a more voluminous cleansing spray, go with the GX Wave. If you want the TOTO name and clout, pre-misting of the toilet bowl, and an automatic deodorizer, then the C100 is the bidet seat for you. Both offer great cleansing performance at entry-level pricing, and from BidetKing's perspective, you can't go wrong with either choice. Click the BidetKing icon to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our other awesome bidet videos. Visit us at BidetKing.com, the online leader in bidet seats.